Thanks.
You ready?
How's the bird?
Easy.
Watch it. So what are we doing?
We have some expertly soaked wood chips. Ooh, my headband's slipping on me. My official turkey band.
That Santa brought you this year?
That Santa brought me this year. Put that there. Do you have a chunk of wood for me also? This is the official Tiffany chunk of wood. We always do one at 1 o'clock in honor of the videographer. So, let's see. Put him in. Kind of stir up the coals. Put a little water in the bowl. See me, dog. Okay. Yeah. Need more water. Okay. That's good. Now, I normally don't do this, but for... You ready? Right here?
No!
You ready to see what it looks like?
Oh yeah, headlamps on. Oh baby.
Okay.
Thank you.
That's after not quite 6 hours. No, we're talking about 12:30 was 6 hours, 6.5 hours. So, and
Another 9 to go? No, what's the math?
I'd say maybe good 8. Good 8. Yep. At least 14. And oh my, it's snowing. So it's time to turn out the light and go night. But it's snowing. It's Christmas Eve, and Merry Christmas, and God bless us everyone. And time to make a peanut butter ball. Come on, Lisa. Come here.